.NET Developer. This refers to a software developer who specializes in using Microsoft's .NET technologies to build applications. .NET Framework. Ecosystem. This encompasses the original .NET framework and its associated libraries, tools, and technologies. It includes the .NET framework itself, languages like C#, F#, and Visual Basic, .NET, ASP.NET for web development, Windows Forms and WPF for desktop applications, Entity Framework for data access, various libraries and APIs, .NET Core. This is a cross-platform, open-source version of .NET that was introduced to enable .NET applications to run on multiple operating systems, Windows, macOS, Linux. It has since evolved into .NET 5 and beyond, unifying the .NET ecosystem. Key differences between .NET Framework and .NET Core include: .NET Framework is Windows only, while .NET Core is cross-platform. .NET Core has better performance and is more modular. .NET Core receives more frequent updates and new features,